Remember not to get too close to stars. They're never gonna give.
Hi guys, welcome to Raw Reviews, and I hope everyone is doing well and good. And today I have brought you the 5 cars with the highest waiting period in India as of January. So the demand for these 5 cars has no slowing down, and the waiting period for this highly popular offerings currently stretches for months. So I'm going to show you these 5 cars. In starting off the video, I will tell you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also the first offering in my video is going to be Nissan Magnite. So the Nissan Magnite, as you can see on my screen, is going to be up to 8 to 9 months is the waiting period of this Nissan. Its entry into the sub 4 meter SUV segment with the Magnite that was launched last year. All credit to its stylish look, extensive feature list, as well as an aggressive pricing. The Nissan SUV has received a very positive feedback in India, with the price starting 5.49 lakhs to 9.97 lakh, both ex-showroom. And also Nissan has promised to bring down the Magnite 32-week waiting period. Next in my list is going to be Mahindra Thar. So it's going to be 7 to 8 months, which will be the waiting period if you want to buy this particular car. So this is second gen version of the Thar in Indian market in October last year. And the updated off-roader has so far received an immensely overwhelming response across the country, thanks to all the updates made by Mahindra. And also, as you see, the engine option is going to be 2.2 liter 4-cylinder M-Hawk engine and 2 liter M-Stallion 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol TGDI engine is available in this particular unit. So the price is going to be 11.90 lakh to 13.75 lakh ex-showroom. So if you're going to buy this particular car, make sure you're going to wait for a long time. And next in my list is going to be Sonet. The Kiasonet went on to become the most affordable sub 4 meter SUV in India, and while the Nissan Magnite took the tag away from its Kia SUV a few months later after Magnite was launched, Sonet's popularity in Indian market was already soaring. The Sonet quickly went on to become one of the best-selling SUVs in India, and some variants of the car were currently have a waiting period of up to 6 to 7 months. So if you're going to buy this particular car, so it's going to be 6 to 7 months is the waiting period. And next in my list is going to be, obviously, Hyundai Creta. Creta doesn't need any introduction. The Hyundai Creta is up to 5 to 6 months is the waiting period. Model for the Creta in the March 2020, which was launched, is a newer generation change, and the SUV currently has a waiting period between 5 to 6 months. The mid-size SUV is offered with 3 different powertrains: 1.5 liter petrol engine, 1.5 liter diesel engine, and also 1.4 liter turbocharged petrol engine. And also on the feature front, the car gets a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment with smartphone connectivity, 8-speaker Bose surround system, Hyundai's Blue-Link connected car tech, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, power adjustable driver seat, 7-inch TFT. It's lots of features is available in this particular car. So if you like this particular car, if you want to book it, so you have just wait a while for getting the delivery of this car. And obviously, last but not least, I have for you guys is Maruthisuzuki Ertiga. In my list is waiting period of 4 to 5 months. The Maruthisuzuki Ertiga is only car in the list that wasn't launched last year, and is also the only non-SUV car here. However, it looks like the Ertiga goes neck and neck against the aforementioned SUV, since the car currently has a waiting period between 4 to 5 months. So obviously the powertrain is going to be 1.5 liter petrol engine and also the diesel engine, which is available. And if you want to buy these cars, obviously you have to wait for a long time. And also likely to be offered with a 5-speed manual transmission, as well as an option 4-speed torque converter auto also. So if you like this particular video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye, take care, thanks for watching.